very good morning to all of you students. I am Ananya Monkel, class developer of Emerging 2. Today we are going to start with the very first subject, English. So you all have to open your writing skills book, which is there on screen. As you see that this is my book. It's your child-centric writing skills perfection toolkit, Joyful D. So you all have to be ready with your writing skills book, which is already on screen, plus a sharp pencil and eraser is also ready. So please be ready with all the things required, and then we will start. As you know that I told you before in the previous session that we had completed our tier 2, and this is the very last worksheet. So today the worksheet which I am going to introduce to you is a mixed exercise. So you all have to open page number 2 to 22 from your book. See students, your worksheet look like this. It's a mixed exercise. Today we will revise our all blends. So it's on page number 2 to 22 and your worksheet look like this. You can see it clearly. Okay, so students, जैसे मैम ने आपको पहले डिस्क्राइब किया दैट वी हैड कंप्लीटेड आवर होल ईयर 2, तो आज जो ये आपकी वर्कशीट है दैट इज अ मिक्स्ड एक्सरसाइज. जितने भी टिल नाउ वी हैड कवर्ड द ब्लेंड्स, द एसएच ब्लेंड, द टोटल वी हैड कवर्ड 5 ब्लेंड: एसएच, सीएच, टीएच, टीएच, then it's N, G, and the very last which we covered is C, K, right? We covered all these words. So the SH blend will give you sh sound, CH will give you ch sound, TH give you th sound, and G will give you sound, and the last one is CK, it will give you k sound. Okay, we covered all these three blend, and related to this we will cover lots of our words, lots of vocab we will learn through this. So today we perform this worksheet. This is a mixed exercise where we use all of these covered blends. Okay, so you all have to do this worksheet by today. So please students, open this page number 2 to 22 from your booklet. Let's start our today session. Okay, students, as you see this worksheet is divided in two halves, right? The upper portion and the second half of this page. So today we will perform the first half of this page. Now you will see this part. Let me show you first. Okay, so we will cover this part today. So what is the caption? The caption is mixed exercise. That means we revise all of our blends today. The students, as you see over here, आपको कुछ clip arts given है, and there are the given space to you, right? Fill in the blanks. So what we have to do? We have to look at the in this picture and write the correct name over here. Okay, we can also take help from this box. यहाँ पर आपको box दिए गए हैं. There are the words written, so you can also take help from here. You can see over here there is a picture of king. So what is the spelling? I want that you will write the spellings by on, because you do practice lots of time. But in case if you don't know, so you can take help from this box, right? So it's already written K in the king, right? But I want that you will write by on. So the very first two is done for us just for our help, that how we have to cover this part. Okay, so we have to look at the in this picture and write the correct word over here. Once we complete the fill in the blanks, then we have to read the whole passage and come to know what is the meaning of this passage. Okay, तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? हम pictures देखेंगे, recognize करेंगे, then we will write the correct name over the given space. After completing the whole, then we will read the passage and also improve our reading skills and come to understand about the whole. Okay, So before starting this, you have to perform your task. What's your task? You have to write the date. So please, all of you, you write the date on top first. Then you all have to circle the date. Also go outside and check the weather today and circle the clipper. This is the task which you all have to perform. After that, we will just start. So hurry up, students. I am waiting for you. Yes, hurry up. Write the date in the given box. Also circle the day, students. Okay, so students, I hope so that now you are done with this. Now we will start. Yes. So students, now we have to see the picture very carefully. So students, now we will see the picture very carefully. Right? You will see here, what is this? It's Inga King, right? When you will do this exercise, as you know, this is a mixed exercise, तो आपके blends की revision काफी अच्छे से होगी. You will come to know that what is the sound and which blend I have to put over here. Is that clear to you all? Now you come to understand what I am saying, students. Dekho, till now you have done those worksheets related to only one blend. Suppose in our unit A, I'll introduce you with the SH word, है ना? मैम ने आपको सिर्फ एक blend introduce किया था, the SH word. तो आपने उन्हीं वर्कशीट को रिवाइज किया, उन्हीं वर्ड्स को बार बार आपने प्रैक्टिस करी, विच इज रिलेटेड विद द सेम साउंड, एसएच साउंड, लाइक शिप, शार्प, short. Again and again you are revising the same sound words, but here in this mixed exercise you are doing all of your blends. Okay, यहाँ पर जो आप vocab करोगे, words करोगे, this is a mixed word exercise जहाँ पर आप every blend revise करोगे. So it will improve your concepts more strongly, right? So let's start. So here we will write the spelling. Students, firstly we will try to write spelling by on. If in case we need any help, so then we will take the help from that box. Okay, otherwise we will not take, because हमने ये words already बहुत बार revise करे हैं. ठीक है? So try to make spelling of words by on. So k sound comes from K, k, ing, e sound comes from I, k, ing. See, what is the sound? Ng. So here we will write which blend? Ng blend. So we will done this? Yes. So it's king. Now you will see the next picture. What is this? Ch, e, ka, chick. There are the two blends in this word. Ch will give you ch sound. Ck will give you k sound. So ch, firstly we will write ch, 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 e. E sound come from I, ch, e, k. See, I told you that k sound come from your blend C, K, k, ch, e, k, check, right? Now students, come down. You can see the next picture very carefully and recall. What is this? This is, ma'am, ship. Very good. So we will write the spelling of ship. Don't see in the box. You need not to look at the in the box, right? You try to write spelling by on. You have to say ship. So what is the first sound? It's sh. So sh sound comes from which blend? SH blend. So here we will write first S and then H. Sh, sh, E. E sound come from I, sh, E, P. Ship, sh, e, p, ship. P sound come from letter P. So it's sh, e, p, ship. Is that clear to you? See, it's so easy. You have to again and again say the word and try to focus. What is the first sound? What is the next sound? And what is the sound which come in end? Now, see this. What is it? This is ring. What is it? Ring. So, when you say ring, what is the first sound? R. So, So we will write R, ring. What is the next sound after R? It's E. So it's come from I. Ring. So it's NG blend. So here we will write N, and the next is G. Ring. Okay. Now come on the next picture. Here is the picture, but we have to write over here. Okay. So what is this? Again, this is ring. So we will write again ring one more time. R I N G. You have to write the formation correctly, students. Okay. Now we will come towards the next part. Let's see the next picture. What is there in the next picture, students? Now, if you see the next picture, you will see that there is, what is this? Teeth. Or you can say, what is this? Mouth. Hai na? So let's see. This is a mouth. There are teeth, but that's mouth, right? So what we have to write over here? Mouth. So what is the very first sound? It's M. M sound come from M. M. Out. O. U. U. Okay, mouth. The last sound is th. It's come from which blend? Okay, I will not write. You have to tell me what is the next sound. Mouth. I told you the last sound is th. Th sound comes from which blend? SH? No. NG? No, ma'am. Then, ma'am, TH. Very good. So here we will write TH because the last sound is th. So th sound comes from TH. Is that clear to you? Any of doubt? No. So the next one is, see the next picture carefully. What is this? A huge shark. What is this? Shark. So we will write over here sh. Sh sound come from SH blend. So here we will write S, and the next one is H. Sh, R. The next sound is A. So it comes from A. Shar. The next sound is R. Sh, R, R, K. K sound comes from K. So it's sharp. Right? Now come on the next picture. How many dots are there? There are one, two, three. How many dots? Three dots are there. So what we will write? Three over here. So what is the spelling, students? Focus on the very first sound. So when you will say three, so the very first sound is th. So it comes from T H. Th, re. The next sound is r. Re. The next sound is r. So we will write R. Three. Double E. You have to write three. Right, students? THR double E. Three. Right? Okay. Now we will see the next picture. The next picture is also same. So what we will write over here? Again three. So please write three over here one more time, students. Also, you did practice of three in your maths class because we are doing the number names. है ना? So there is no confusion. What is the spelling of your number name three? So it's THR double E three. THR double E three. Now we will see the next picture, students. Tell me what is this? We do it earlier, ma'am. King. So please write the spelling by on. Now I'm not repeating it again. Ma'am, K, very good. I, good. N, G, king, very good. Once we will done with these fill ups or the fill in the blanks, then we will read the whole passage. Okay. Now you will see the next picture. Yes, ma'am. Tell me what is this? Ma'am, it's ring. Very good. So again, you have to write ring over here. Students, see. Once you are doing, you are taking any initiate, so it's help you, right? But taking help from these words, so it will not give any benefit to you, right? You do these words lots of time, बहुत बार आपने प्रैक्टिस कर ली है, तो अब आप खुद से स्पेलिंग फॉर्म कर सकते हो. यू डोंट नीड हेल्प ऑफ दीज हिंट्स. आपको इन हिंट्स की नीड नहीं है. सो प्लीज ट्राई टू टेक इनिशिएट फर्स्ट. आप खुद से एफर्ट्स करो टू मेक spellings by on. Okay, so we are done with these fill-ups. Now what we have to do next, we have to read the passage carefully. So now come up and we will start reading. So take your pencil in your hand and start reading from the very first word. Wo, O-N-E, one. The, a, day, one day. A, king, king. I'm telling you a story, so you have to listen it very carefully. ओके, आपका सारा फोकस यहाँ पे होना चाहिए. मैम आपके साथ एक स्टोरी शेयर कर रहे हैं, सो यू हैव टू लिसन इट केयरफुली. आफ्टर दैट आई विल आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू दैट स्टोरी. ओके, so what I am saying, where I am here. One day a king, he is a king ना. One day एक दिन क्या हुआ, a king was the with a chick sails in a ship. एक दिन क्या हुआ, एक जो किंग था विद अ चिक, उसके पास क्या था, एक चिक था. वो क्या कर रहा था, सेल इन अ शिप, शिप में था, राइट, सेल कर रहा था फ्रॉम हियर एंड देयर. सो he he we, whom we are talking about, this he is used for king. We are not saying king again and again, so that's why we use pronoun he for king. So he, her as a has a ring. Who has a ring? King के पास क्या थी, एक ring थी. The ring falls falls in the water. So that ring falls in the water. कहाँ गिर गई ring? Water में. Because the king sails in a ship. तो ship कहाँ पर चलती है, ओशियंस में, सी में, वाटर में, है ना. तो उसके पास जो रिंग थी, इट फॉल्स इन अ वाटर. It, we use it for ring. Here we are talking about ring. तो जो ring थी, goes into the mouth of the shark. Where the ring go? The ring goes into the mouth of the shark. Shark के mouth में चली गई. Three, three, m and men see. Three men see this. So, when the ring goes into the mouth of shark, there was three men. Three men जो वहाँ थे, उन्होंने ये देखा. The three men helped the king. जो three men थे, they helped the king. उन्होंने king की help करी to find the ring. So, three men helped the king find the ring, and the ring came back to the king. So, students, in this story, we come to know about king, his lost ring, three men, and the three men helped the king to find the ring. So, now I would like to ask few questions related to that story with you. So, are you all ready now? Should I ask questions to you? सबने ध्यान से स्टोरी सुनी है? Is there any doubt? Before starting the question answer session, I would like to ask you, किसी को अभी कोई भी doubt है related to that story, you can ask first, then I will ask you questions. Okay, so now let me ask questions to you. Students, tell me, how many men are there? Okay, if you want to give me the answer, so you have to raise your hands. How many men are there? Ma'am, should I give you the answer? Yes, please. Ma'am, there are three men. Very good. Okay, the second question is, sails in a ship. Ma'am, king with a chip sails in a ship. Very good. Okay. Okay, the next is who lost the ring? Ma'am, king. Very nice. Okay, students. Now you all have to cover this worksheet. Fine. All this about your English session. That's it for the English session. Now I'm giving you some time to complete your English session. Then we will start with an art and craft work, which we left before. So hurry up, complete your mixed exercise, students. Firstly, okay, again I am telling you that how you have to complete this worksheet. सबसे पहले आपने fill in the blanks complete करने हैं and after that you have to read it. Why? Because अगर आपके fill in the blanks complete नहीं है, so you don't come to know about the story. आपको story के बारे में कैसे पता चलेगा? Because अभी ये तो complete नहीं है. So firstly आपको फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स कंप्लीट करने हैं, देन आप रीड करोगे तभी उसकी आपको अंडरस्टैंडेबिलिटी होगी, अदरवाइज नहीं होगी. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द वे बाय विच यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस वर्कशीट. ओके, so I hope so that you have done with this worksheet. If there is any doubt, so you can ask me personally. Now we will come towards our next part. So please kindly open your art and craft book which is there on screen. As you know that in my previous session I have introduced you with a new worksheet. So today we all have to complete that worksheet. So please open your art and craft book and please be ready with your colors. If you don't have colors, so you can also bring the crayons, right? Either you can take the pencil colors or the crayons, whatever is there with you. Okay, students, so we are doing page number 22. In the previous session, I introduced you this worksheet where I used to introduce you with only first step that you all have to trace this picture. आपको क्या करना है, ये जो dotted lines है, you have to trace it with the help of your pencil, right? The only task you have to cover that day. But today, what we all have to do, we all have to complete this worksheet by coloring, right? So today we will do what? Today we will cover this worksheet, right? So please bring your crayons or the pencil color, whatever is there with you. Let's start. So students, आपने क्या करना है, आपने अपने crayons की help से आपको इसको colorful bird बनाना है, right? So you have to do color in this art sheet. So you can do any of your particular color, any of your favorite, whether you do green, whether you do orange color. So you have to basically make it a colorful bird. So let me tell you, first of all, color this art sheet with your own way. Okay, as per your imagination you have to color this, but make it a beautiful art sheet. Okay, basically आपने क्या करना है, you have to color the beak with brown color or you can also take the black color, and also over here you also have to do the brown color. Okay, rest of you have to do by on, make it a colorful bird. Fine. So please complete your art sheet. It's your today task. You can do coloring as per your way, but the guidance which I all you all have to do coloring in same direction, and don't take color out of the image. Right? That's it for your today session. In this session, we have covered our English subject. Right? In our English subject, we had covered our art. We had covered the mixed exercise and we also had covered our craft work where we completed our page number 22. So that's it for your today's session, students. You have to complete the art sheet by your own imagination. You do color as per your way. So that's it for today. Have a good day. Bye bye. We will meet in our next session with revision work. Okay.